Hello friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 22. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. At first we will try to find out the ways in which we can divide 22. Let us divide 22 by 1. So we get 22. Hence 1 and 22 are the divisors of 22. If we divide 22 by 2, we get 11. So 2 and 11 are the divisors of 22. Now look that there is no number between 2 and 11 which can divide 22. So we will stop right now. So we have all the divisors of 22 in orange colors. These are 1, 2, 11 and 22. So the total number of divisors of 22 is 4. Now see that among these divisors, 2 and 11 are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 22 are 2 and 11. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel